Hey y'all, happy Saturday. All right, so my little one is playing upstairs. You're probably gonna hear him. My two big ones, my husband and my older son, are downstairs playing some Star Wars video game that came out yesterday. They've been playing it ever since yesterday, but I am in the middle of decorating my house for Christmas. And it is chaos. Just a minute, buddy. But I got a delivery from Amazon today. I have cut open the box because I knew I wouldn't be able to do that and hold the phone at the same time. But I wanted to show y'all my advent calendar that I posted like months ago. The Disney book advent calendar came. So it's very different than what I was expecting. So it's a lot bigger, but it's still in the box. I haven't taken it out of the box yet so we can look at it together. I'm really excited about it. So this is the size of the box it came in, like big Amazon box. And like I said, I cut open the tape just because I knew I wouldn't be able to do this. Yeah, Christmas decorations are everywhere. So this is the advent calendar, 24 books, brand new content. Frozen. I'm wondering if this is Frozen 2 stuff. Judging by the outfits, it's Frozen 1. Pinocchio, some of the classics. Toy Story 4. So it comes with a little bow. Like there's greenery pieces all over my house. All right, so let's open it up. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. So it doesn't go in order, which drives me a little bit insane because I'm kind of anal. But so it's 1, 2. My kids will probably like seeing who can find the next number first. And so let's just do 1. Okay, so they're little books. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Slide it out of the envelope. Sorry. So the first one is 101 Dalmatians. So they're little books. Like, look, I've been spray painting. I have not been involved in a murder. So they're little, like smaller than my hand, and I have very little hands. 101 Dalmatians. Oh, but a lot of text on there. So more than I would probably read to like a preschooler, but they would probably like all the pictures. And what's fun is now that Disney Plus is out, you know, you could read a book and then watch that movie if you wanted to that night. That would be a fun little Christmas tradition. So there is a lot of text in here. My kids are in elementary school, so that'll be fine for my kids. But if your kids are preschoolers, you may need to do the trick that I always employ, like read the first 2 sentences on every page or just summarize what's happening in each picture. I'm not going to open all of these because I want to be surprised with my kids. So that's day 1. That's day 1. Like I said, they're not in order and they go up to Christmas Eve. So I'm going to put this, but this is really nice quality. Now, these envelopes, I can tell you, I don't think they're going to last next year. Next year, we will probably just have the books in each pocket. If I can get it in there with just one hand. There we go. Okay, well, I promise it can be done. I just am not very coordinated with just one hand. There we go. So next year, we'll probably just have these, because this is just paper. Like, it's thicker than tissue paper, but not a lot thicker. It's definitely not cardstock. So these envelopes that hide them probably won't last, but that's okay. And the pictures, I mean, the books themselves, if you have kids who get those Scholastic book orders and you order the books from Scholastic, you know, they're not the greatest quality. That's what I would say these are. Like it's not a hardcover and they're just stapled together. So again, maybe not the best for like a toddler, because my boys, when they were little, always liked eating books and eating paper. But great for elementary kids, or like I think 3 and 4-year-olds. If you know, if you keep this as like you look at it as a family, they don't have free reign to this. Maybe keep it somewhere where they can't get to it during the day, and just at night or whenever you do it together, then get it out so they can't destroy it. I think that would be really fun. So, I mean, I really love this. Like, I think this is awesome. So this is the back. Oh, okay, look, on the back it shows you what they all are. So, 101 Dalmatians, Aladdin, Bambi, Beauty and the Beast, Cars, Coco, Dumbo, Nemo, Frozen, Incredibles, Incredibles 2, Jungle Book, Lady and the Tramp, Lion King, Little Mermaid, Moana, Monsters University, Mulan, Peter Pan, Pinocchio, Ralph Breaks the Internet, Tangled, Toy Story, and Toy Story 4. That's awesome. This is gonna be so fun. I love how it's a mix of the old classics, but also some of the new ones like Ralph Breaks the Internet and Toy Story 4 and a lot of the Pixar ones like Cars. This is really, really fun. I don't know. It's gonna be hard to wait till December 1st to do this with my family, I'll be honest. Let's look at the, I didn't really show y'all this is the front. So it's tall. I mean, I would guess this is sorry, my dog is scratching at the door. Maybe, I'm not a very good judge of size, but I would say maybe a little bit shorter than 2 feet tall. This itself is really good quality, pretty thick, like this will last. But I just think it's so fun. So I'm going to put the link. Last I checked, this was sold out. This was a huge seller on Amazon, and I know that it went pretty quick. I'm going to see if they still have some, and if they do, I will put the link in the comments in case you want to order one, because you'll definitely want to have it for December 1st. But I just think this is a great Christmas tradition that we can start reading a little Christmas. I mean, the stories themselves aren't Christmas stories. They're just the Disney stories. So like 101 Dalmatians obviously doesn't have anything to do with Christmas, but that's okay. I just think this is a fun way to spend some quality time together during the holidays, which is always so busy. Just snuggled up and reading some classic and new stories together. And I'm really excited about this. Also, because I am in decoration mode, what I will probably do is stand it up like this and like either put it next to the fireplace or, look, I have greenery and glitter everywhere. Either put it next to the fireplace or maybe in the playroom. And so it kind of will be a decoration in itself. Or what I might do is leave it open like this, because this is really kind of like fits well with the way I decorate my home. So yeah, I think I might open it like this and keep it on the fireplace hearth. And then every night we'll pull out a book. So I'm really excited. I think this is totally worth the money. I think this is something that my family will use for years. I'm going to see if they still have it in stock. If they do, I will put the link in the comments. And if not, I mean, there's really no point, or I'll put the link so you can check in case they get more. I don't know. But I do know that they were sold out earlier, like a week after I posted this originally. So, hope you guys are having a great day. I'm gonna get back to work. It's cold, but I'm hot and sweaty because I've been working hard on my house. And my dining room where I am right now is kind of like my staging area. And there's just stuff everywhere. My house is chaotic, but it's gonna look great when it's done. I love Christmas. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.